What's up YouTube? Today I'm working on 2009 Mini Cooper. In this episode I'm going to show you how to fix your trunk. If you can open your trunk with the key fob, but you cannot open from the back of your car. So stay with me and I'll show you how to fix that. Here's my Mini Cooper. And I already moved this. Here's my button to open the trunk, and I can open the trunk with the key, but I cannot open here manually. Here's the what you need to do. Here's the 4 bolts holding this whole thing, this bottom, your lights, and this front piece. You just take it out and you need to separate this front piece from this plastic. So here's your problem. When you lift up this, which is circuit board, you will see on the bottom that your actual bottom not touching this pin to make the connection and open your trunk. So this is gonna be a problem. I think you need to replace whole thing, because this is one piece. I tried to find a link for it, and just look in description for this piece. 4 screws, really easy to replace, 1 connector on the back, and you're good to go. Alright guys, that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know.